How to fix Snapchat error code SS06 due to repeated failed login attempts. So first of all, Snapchat SS06 is often temporary error that resolves itself after a short period of time. Wait about half an hour before attempting another login to check if Snapchat has reinstated your account. Next up is you need to switch your network connection. So tap and hold on your Wi-Fi and make sure to switch between your cellular data and your Wi-Fi. Another thing that you can do is check Snapchat server status. Open up any browser that you are using and you just need to search for Snapchat server status. So simply search for it and then you just need to go for any one of these websites and make sure to see if there is problem going on worldwide. So right now there are no outages reported in the last 24 hours, but if there is any kind of reporting going on, you need to make sure to wait for the Snapchat to resolve itself. At the end, a simple restart can oftentimes resolve these kind of glitches and errors, so you need to make sure to restart your device as well.